Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet, guys. Welcome to another episode of Straight to the Baby. What is up? What is happening with Bitcoin? What is happening with the crypto market? Such a depressing market, man. But don't go anywhere away. We got a lot to unpack. You'll be glad that you watched this live stream. Let's make sure the sound is good. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin, okay? Let's look at our Bitcoin, big boy Bitcoin. What is happening? This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin. Straight up like this, okay? So what is happening, man? Like, first of all, on a smaller time frame, see, I believe Bitcoin is going to between $108 to $120,000. Okay, it just depends how much time it's going to take. Just on a weekly, on a daily, let me show you what's going on right now. And when I get uber bullish, okay, when I get uber bullish is when we get out of this channel. We have formed this channel. You can call this that we got out of the channel right now. See this? On a smaller time frame, okay? This is the weekly. I'm really glad with what has happened that we got out of the channel and we are sitting on it. If we come down, guys, if we come down, it wouldn't be good news, okay? So, like, say for example, I expect if we come down, like if we come down like this, come down here, damn it, hold on. We get a nice red candle if he comes back down right here. And then it comes back up again. After that, there might be a crash, and the crash will be so severe it takes us all the way back down to this range. Okay, it'll be very, very bad. But let's hope for the best. What's the trigger? Is the trigger as this point 71,700. We passed that and it's bull, like full-fledged, man, like wife-changing bull. But we don't need to worry about altcoins, okay? No matter what happens, altcoins, there are so many altcoins which are ready. They will drop. They might drop 10%, 20%, but not a biggie. If you get a flash crash right now, there's nothing to be worried about, okay? It's just that they're shaking you off from your altcoin position. So let's go over. How's everyone, by the way? How is my brothers from another mother? It's been long, man. I've been going to these conferences, getting a lot of information, for you guys. Hopefully you like what I'm doing, man. Let me know which ones of you have watched my conference video. If you don't watch this content, I'm spending thousands of dollars to go into these conferences, booking hotel rooms, going, it takes from 8 o'clock in the morning till around 2 o'clock in the morning I'm working, because the conference is usually around 9. So you have to wake up and, get going. So from 9 o'clock, I'm on my feet till 6 o'clock in the evening until the conference is over. After that, we have after parties. You can call it after parties. We have a couple of drinks, but it's more a networking opportunity, right? So after that, we're going from one event to another event, Polygon event, some other event. And we keep on doing that until 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning. And we repeat the next day, whole thing again. And it's 3 days. You don't get to travel, nothing, it's just constant conference time, okay? Just crypto, and you get to meet these amazing innovators, and some of them are doing amazing, huge projects, man, where the market cap is so little that I expect the market cap in billions of dollars. If I never went to this conference, I would never got this information. Okay. So I'm going to share that information with you today, later on. But yeah, it's very important to look at the video. This is the video. This is the conference video. What is the next big thing in crypto? Be the first to know. It's on my YouTube channel. It has 21,000 views on it. Okay. I uploaded 8 days ago. If you haven't watched this video, man, you're missing out. Okay. It's a 40-minute video, 41 minute. Every minute is important. And I have a surprise at the end of the video that I'll share with you today. But it's very important you look at it. Okay. It's not boring at all. It'll be useful information. It could be life-changing. You just need one shot, man. One opportunity. Like the Eminem song. Just one shot, one opportunity that can change your life. Life is just like snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders. If you haven't played that game, you just need one ladder that 10x's you. Like takes your life. I speak to a lot of young people. And I'm like, hey, man, I'm hustling this, that, blah, blah, blah. Right? You can work for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and shit don't click. 25 years, 30 years sometimes. And, you keep on trying and trying and trying and nothing clicks. It just takes 1 year of your life. 1 year can change the whole trajectory of your life. Some people are lucky. They get that break in the first 5 years. Some people have to hustle 10 years, 15 years, and they get this 1 year, which changes their life. That could be this year, man. That could be this year. But yeah, what do I know? I'm some guy on the internet. How's everyone, man? Caesar Crypto first. Dharmendra Mirani, what's up? Raj, Shrey TV, baby. Satya, hello Shrey, excited for what's to come. Dhruvil, good to see you live. Shrey TV, baby. Disclosure Kids, hey buddy, could you look at Gary Network once for me? Roger, how are you, brother? Hi Shrey, great to catch you live. Your conference videos are great. Thank you. Please, could you look at the SUI chart? Yeah, sure. But let's finish what we're here supposed to do. I have these charts. You're going to get the alpha, what's going on with crypto and, the timelines and stuff like that. Let me, look at the big boy first. Bitcoin, right? So as I said, if Bitcoin's supposed to go up, then it has to hold this channel. Okay. It's okay if it comes under the channel, but if it's just a wick, if the weekly close is just a wick and comes back up, then we are good. Okay. Or else, what's going to happen, right? Again, the bigger picture, if you look at the bigger picture, this will be irrelevant. Okay. All this will be irrelevant. It's just that it's time consuming and it's very traumatizing psychologically. A lot of people have given up and I can feel that in the air. I can really feel in the air. People are dejected, like they don't want to talk about crypto. They don't want to look at anything. And, it's probably affecting personal life as well, because you 24/7 watch the charts. First thing when you wake up, you look at the prices and do that, right? And you keep on doing that for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and it's 4 years. And like imagine, like we got a nice pump 8 months ago. Everyone got excited. It's just like just trying to touch a girlfriend, just trying to do something, and suddenly she gets up. It's like that, right? So you get upset, right? So a lot of people are upset, but don't worry, man. You'll get to do your jiggy wiggy soon. Okay. So that is Bitcoin for now. If we miss, if we come down, and it won't be over. It won't be over at this point. It won't be over at this point like that. At 51, it won't be over. It might go and do one more dip right here. Okay. So this is the scenario that is crazy, crazy. But will it happen? We will see. Okay. But if we hold this above this channel, then we are going up. But on a bigger picture, let's look at the bigger picture. That's what counts, where Bitcoin's going. So this is the inverted chart of Bitcoin. Okay, let me know if you're able to see this properly. So I believe, like, whatever time Bitcoin took from coming here from this bottom to this bottom, 850 days, right? 850 days. So it will be a little bit longer than 850 days that we will get the top. Another 850 here. Bitcoin's probably gonna form a nice falling wedge, okay? And it always could come jerk us off like here, like that. And then it'll be a sharp win. I'm just telling you, when Bitcoin moves, man, it's gonna be so ferocious, so fast, that when that happens, it'll be straight up big move. Okay, straight up big move. Because see what I see here, because we are in this channel right there, and Bitcoin will come at the bottom of this channel. And if you look at the 618, where I think this is where we spend most of the time. And here are the big resistance. So 618 comes around $100,000, 105. You could get a wick that goes to 115. Who knows, right? But $100,000 is coming, man. It's coming. It's not a no-brainer. If you look at a weekly, it's much better on a weekly. $100,000 is coming. So whatever happens in between right now, in the next few days, 1 month, 2 months, it's irrelevant, okay? $100,000 is coming. Between 108 to 120, I think Bitcoin, that's where Bitcoin's going in a short term, okay? After that, we'll, as I talked about, the falling wedge that I'm talking about, it would take us all the way end of 2025 to 2026. That's what I think we are going. And the top of Bitcoin could be somewhere around 140, between 140 to 160. Okay, 140 to 160 could be the top. Between 140 to 160 top for Bitcoin. Once we come down here, $100,000, it won't be. Bitcoin will get slow, basically. Okay, once we hit $100,000, Bitcoin is gonna be slow. You would get, you know, small dumps, and comes back down, goes back up, and then, you know, something like this. Even after 2026, summer of 2026, we could keep on going up, you know, to 160, 150 to 160 before we get a, you know, massive dump. We could get a massive dump like that. Something, a bad news or something like that happens and you get a massive dump. This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin. Let me know if you're not able to see, if my picture is interrupting you. I can change that. Can you see this chart? This is how it looks straight, okay? So I expect Bitcoin to hit between 105, 108, pushing it $120,000, and after that, Bitcoin gets slow. You get a dump to $85,000, you know, and goes back up to 110, goes back down until we reach somewhere around, I would say 140, 150. That's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin for now. Okay. So Bitcoin gets really slow once it hits these levels. Okay. Another scenario, the second scenario, if we go down here to these levels, to 44, right? What happens if we go down here? Then we get a different cycle. Okay. We get a different cycle where Bitcoin still goes up, but it does something like this. Okay. The way it goes to $140,000 changes. Okay. It changes. That I don't think, I'm looking at this scenario, you know, first, but if it reaches, you know, $45,000, then the whole scenario could change. The way things might play out would be something like this, where you would go down, and be, you know, try to get up on this channel, get rejected, try to go back up, get rejected, and, you know, slowly and gradually you go to 120, $140,000. Okay, that's how I see it. It's very important that we don't lose this $50,000 level on this channel. If we go down here at 44 and do a weekly close here, then, you know, Bitcoin will be very slow. Okay, we don't want that. Again, it just extends the cycle. Cycle is going to be long, okay, until 2026. That's what I think. But there, which coins you are in is very important. I'll just show you why it's important, because those coins are not gonna do well. I don't think so. You know, that's why I want to show you why I think coins like, say for example, Verasity. Okay, this is gonna be not performing really well, and if somebody's in a coin like this, could be, you know, could be wasting time, right? It will eventually do well. Verasity will go to 786, somewhere in 786, in like that. So Verasity will hit 786 at some point. I think 786 is right here. So this is the level that I'm expecting for Verasity at some point. It's like 15, 16x from where it is right now. That's not bad. 15 times the money in this day and age. It's a lot of money. You might get a wick a little bit above that 0.04 level, right? But this is where I expect Verasity to be. But you see the channel it has formed. I think look at this. This coin's gonna waste so much time. It'll have pump. It will 2025 summer. You know, it could pump like this. But August of 2025, it could pump to these levels. But look at this. What could happen in between? What could happen is you get a nice pump. You get a nice pump here. Comes to this level, dump back to this level, then pump back up again to this level, gets everyone excited, yeah, we are going up, and then huge dump, one more dump in Q1, probably Q2, you get this dump, and then it starts to recover and makes this a new high, right? Which is a little bit higher than this high. Makes a new high, gets rejected, dumps back on the channel, and then goes up, and this will be the final where it makes a new high. Okay, and the bigger arc that we are looking at, because I studied these charts, man, for so long, it's not even funny. But yeah, that's how I expect Verasity to play out. Okay, it could not be exact, but this is what I'm looking at, and this is the range I'm looking at Verasity from where it is. So we are basically looking at the bottom right now. If the price goes up, and once it reaches this level, when I say this level, that means when the price comes close to 0.008, man, I would get the hell out of this thing. So I would know when the market's about to crash. This is the signal. When Verasity reaches this level, that's a big signal for a huge crash coming. Okay, because not only Verasity is going to crash, every other crypto will crash 60 to 70%. When Verasity pumps from whatever level it is right now to almost 250%. When Verasity pumps 250%, again, that's your signal that you will get a big, massive pullback. It could be 60 to 70% in case of Verasity, and other coins it could be between 60 to 65%, maybe 50%. But that's a big crash. Okay, that's a big crash. So I am bullish right now on Verasity, very bullish. We have a 250% move in next few months coming. But what comes after that move is a big, massive crash where Verasity could make another low. That could be the bottom for Verasity. If it doesn't come that low and it stops here, still a good buy. Okay, still a good buy. Because from there, even from here, look at this. From here, we're looking at almost 15x, man. 15x is a lot of money. 15x is a lot of money. Okay, so it's not bad. But I think this could be the top for Verasity. We will see when it reaches this level where Bitcoin is and other things are. But that's the level. But don't get disappointed by looking at Verasity that Verasity is not going to do well. So there are other coins which are going to do amazing. Keep an eye on this coin. I like this here. Swftcoin. Keep an eye on this. Don't. Look at this. Look at this accumulation. Look at this. Perfect. Where have you seen accumulation like that? Tell me. So many days, man. Look at the price stayed 0.002 level for how many years? Anybody holding Swift will be gone by now. Nobody has this capacity. The strongest investor would be gone. Look at this. How many days? This is 2,478 days. But the moon season's not far, I think. I think it's not far. We could see something like this happen. Okay, keep an eye on Swftcoin because we get a massive pump. The final numbers I have for Swftcoin are on my Patreon, but you could get a massive pump that goes parabolic between 5x to 7x pump could be coming for Swftcoin. 5x to 7x pump for Swftcoin could be around the corner. How long it takes for this thing, it could take the whole November to get out of this triangle. Okay, but when it does, It's just a matter of time when it does. When it comes out, it'll be fast and furious. Okay, so this is not time to get dejected or complain. It was like, oh man, you know, this is an opportunity, but you know, you have to grab it. So that was Swftcoin. Bitcoin by John. How are you, brother? Thanks for the 20. You're the man, Shrey. True crypto bro. Can we look at TET, Tectum coin? Sure, brother. Just, you know, give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Matthew, Shapeshift Fox, Moonwell looking juicy. Well, everything is looking nice, man. So, what was the other coin? Dogecoin. Doge. Let's look at Doge. What's happening with Doge? Doge looks so bullish, man. Doge looks amazing. Amazing. Hold on. Why am I so bullish? You know, Dogecoin looks crazy. Crazy. You know, look at this. Let's redo this. This is the weekly, okay? And Dogecoin's about to hit this level. 618. I think Dogecoin will hit 618. Being conservative, 618. It could go above 618. Whenever that happens, this is the range where the next stop for Dogecoin will probably be between 49 to 55, 56 cents. That is the Dogecoin stop. Okay. So don't be greedy, okay? That'll be a good time to trade. Look at this. Let's look at the daily. Look at this, man. It's just perfect. Look at this. Perfect. Dogecoin is about to go parabolic. Okay. I think parabolic. I would not be shaken away if a pullback comes like this, like that. Again, that is to, if something like this happens, again, you have to keep that in mind. It's fake. It would go right back up like that. Okay. And it'll be a very aggressive move. Very, very aggressive move. If this pullback happens, you know, if you're lucky, you know, from here onwards, I see even this is a good buy, I think. Yeah, 250%, 250 to 300% move is coming for Dogecoin. For a large cap, that is a huge, huge move. Okay? Nobody listened to me when we talked about this move. I called for Dogecoin pump right here, right before it pumped, right here. Okay? This was way back, when was this? February, right? February, I called for Dogecoin pump. Exact size pump. Look at my videos. This is even bigger than that. Look at this pump, man. It's going to be the most massive and most aggressive pump for Dogecoin. 250 to, I would say 300% pump for Dogecoin. That is amazing. It'll go straight up, okay? So all this consolidation, you know, that's a blessing. Whosoever, you know, wants to. I think Doge is a blue chip. Something big might be coming for Doge. But what comes after this, you know, we could go even higher than this. You know, I expect a nice sharp pullback. Nice sharp pullback to this level. You know, what could happen? What could happen is we get a pullback to this level, and then we go make another high. We make another high, and then a big, massive, juicy pullback to this level. Okay? So Dogecoin, Verasity, a few other coins. I have these things in my mind. I'm looking at them and seeing when the crash is going to be. Okay, there's a big move in altcoin coming, a nice juicy pump, right? Between now and December, you know, some coins, not everything's going to pump, right? As I showed you, as I showed Verasity, you know, how Verasity is going to act. So if somebody's in Verasity, you know, until summer, you could pump only to these levels, right, that I mentioned. What was this? Right. So we might pump here to 0.005 and then dump. So, you know, it will get you excited. 100% pump. You know, it's still better than nothing, right? So the portfolio would double, but then, you know, expected dump after that and then pump to this level. This is where I expect a massive dump coming for Verasity. Whenever we reach 0.08 to 0.09 level, 0.009 level, this is when I expect a massive dump. Okay, so a good trading opportunity. I'm gonna keep all the Patreons updated. Okay, so we looked at Verasity, Dogecoin, what else? Swftcoin, Bitcoin. I will look your coin up, brother. You were talking about TET, T-E-T. TET. Tectum, right? You see what I see? We could possibly get out of this, you know, but we could possibly get out of this, make a new high, you know, dump a little bit and then just dump a little bit here, you know, and then go back up, make a new high. These levels and then come back down possibly one more time to this level before a flyer. Okay, I personally don't like this chart that much. Okay, we'll have to see, brother. The market cap is small. It'll be tough for Tectum to get out of this triangle, bro. You know? I've seen so many of these that anytime it's forming a triangle, it's very tough, you know, to get out. You see how every time it's trying to push this level, it keeps on getting rejected. See this? It's the triangle. tried so many times. It's getting rejected. When the coin is new, it's been there since 2023. It usually does an M pattern, okay? So if it breaks this level, you know, we could do something like this, right? All the way and come back down, give out all the gains back, okay? Before the new cycle for Tectum starts, you know, where it just goes mental like that, okay? Just keep that in mind, okay? So is it possible to reach these levels? Yes, anything in crypto is possible, but as of now, this doesn't look very good. I have to look, you know, in more detail. What's the market cap for Tectum? TET. $74 million. Shapeshift is only 20 million. Okay, Bitcoin buy, John. 87 million. Cool chart. So, yeah, well, as of now, we have to watch, you know, how it plays out. But the numbers that I'll be looking at, some cryptos, man, you know, they form this channel like that. That's why I get really worried when I see something like this. I get really, really worried because they don't even give an opportunity to come out and get out of the project if you're stuck in this, right? Because what they, you know, it's a very depressing chart that I'm portraying, but why is this not showing a color? What the hell? Okay. To get this straight. Okay. So some cryptos, they don't give you an opportunity to get out, and they get you stuck in this channel for a long time, okay? And that's why I like, you know, cryptos which has a certain pattern, you know. Like, I'll just give you an example. Let's say XLM. Once you're in this freaking triangle, it makes you wait for a long time. Get out of the triangle, right? But you're stuck in this channel, like this channel, for a long time, and you don't know when it'll be, you know, such a mind fuck you know, you don't want to be stuck in that situation. So could we come back down? Yes, you know, we could. If it just want to be a dick, you know, it could do this, you know, like that. Get back into a channel, get rejected, go back up, get rejected, you know, do this for a long time before the final moon season comes. Okay, so I just want you to be mentally prepared for that, you know, something like this. So, you know, I'm trying to find the next Polygon. I worked probably 18 hours yesterday, you know. This is the time. Not all charts. Look, out of so many cryptos, there are more than 2 million cryptos. There'll be only one Polygon, one Solana, one Axie Infinity. That's gonna do 100x, 1000x. Okay, there will be only one. So it's right here. Look, these are historical charts from March of 2023. Okay, we need to get March historical chart. The top was, for some cryptos, the top was 2022. So historical snapshot for, you can look, you know, cryptos from past and study them. So I think February, March, April was the top, I think. March, April, right? Let's just look at March. So go out and study these, you know, Cardano, Polygon, you know, this Chrono, CRO, Cosmos, because look at the market cap and see which coins were low market cap, like 20 million or 30 million dollars, and which went into billions of dollars. Billions. Okay, these coins with 20 million market cap went into, you know, like if you see Luna, if you see Axie Infinity, the market caps were so little, 20 million, 25 million. So these are the coins, you know, you want to find the next, you know, Axie Infinity in these kind of market caps between 10 to 20 million, 30 million dollars. Get into them, you know, when the market reaches into $1 billion to $3 billion, for it could reach as much as, you know, 16 to 18 billion dollars in some cryptos from the level from, you know, say $20 million. So that is crazy, man. Those gains are crazy gains. So it's not easy to find something like that, but you just, as I said, you just need one shot, man. One shot, one opportunity that changes your life, but you have to work hard for it. So I am working, and hopefully we already have few that I think might stick. It's just like, you know, if you have a gum in your mouth, you know, throw it to the wall. It's not gonna stick always. Sometimes it sticks, sometimes it doesn't, right? So that's what we are doing, you know, at least 4 or 5 projects that I think that might go up, which are in millions, you know, low cap millions, 20, 25, 30 million dollars, which might hit $1 billion market cap, 2, 3, 4 billion. That's what I'm looking for, and I'm searching right now. And I know a few of them. I keep on posting on my Patreon. Hopefully they're listening, you know. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't put a gun on your head and say, hey, buy this. So what I would say is, hey, you know, I think this is what's going to happen, you know, but you got to do what you got to do, man, you know. I started smoking again. I lost a lot of weight. I went from 222 pounds to 200 pounds, okay? It's so messed up. I'm trying to, lose weight. I quit smoking for almost a year and a half. And what I've realized is smoking vape reduces, it helps you cut down weight. It's ridiculous, I picked it up in we were drinking and I picked it up back again and I started smoking. But it helped me to lose weight. Ridiculous, man. I lost 15 pounds. Like, I shouldn't say I lost a lot of weight before smoking. But then after that, I started to smoke. I was stuck at 206. And then after that, I started hitting this vape and boom, 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 I'm like 200 pounds right now. Another 20 pounds to go. But yeah, that's where I am. How's everyone? The base ecosystem is growing. Their stablecoin recently went up substantially. Sorry, man. What's Bitcoin Cash doing, Shrey? I'll show you. Don't smoke, Matthew. Moonwell's chart is beautiful. Yeah, let's give the man some likes. Roger, thank you, brother. Yeah, more likes. Come on. So, I'll give you... Here, let's pause the music. And I want to show you a few things. We'll go at the back end. I met a group of people. And they all came from different parts. Some people came from abroad, like Canada. Okay.
So we used to be gift coin.
Oh, I don't have that on this one because YouTube. That's why we were drinking. That's why I didn't post that. So I did post on my Twitter. Okay. These guys are called MFers. Okay. So I met all these people at the conference and we became friends. And they have this coin. They never met each other.
Is an emerging
so they never met each other. They came to the conference just to see each other because they were MFR. They call themselves MFers. Okay, so I am an MFR. I'm sold. Man, this community is huge in China. In China, and it's getting bigger and bigger. It's a meme coin, MFR. Listen, this guy knows a lot more than what I do. So I spoke to these bunch of MFers. They were really cool people. All walks of lives. And, young, old, everyone calls themselves a MFR. And you will see, in my notification that there are a couple of them. I'll show you who is an MFR.
Oh, perfect. So where do people find you?
So see this here? That's an MFR.
Yep. Okay. Come hack with us.
And your Twitter?
It's BuildAbox. Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Yep.
Thank you.
Nice
Appreciate
meeting
for your time.
Yeah, appreciate you.
MFers! Yeah! So, what is MFers? MFers is an emerging social phenomenon built on crypto rails that came into the world around 2021 by an anonymous founder who just created some art based on some memes. And then everyone kind of latched on. It was a stick figure art. You're all MFers? Yes.
Every one of us is.
Everybody's MFer. We're
We all are.
Yeah. And we live
And
by
you are
very
now
specific
too.
principles.
Very sure.
MFers do what they want. MFers are just getting started. And we're all MFers. Yeah! Cheers to that, baby!
Okay, so MFR is available on crypto.com in the United States. Okay, crypto.com. Again, this is not a shill or anything. Okay, I'll show you the chart of MFR. I have never done any partnerships or sponsored videos for anything. So far I met few people at the conference where they told me, that hey, Shrey, we can get you sponsors. I was like, oh, that'd be nice. But I will tell people if I'm sponsoring, something. But I really like these people, and They were meeting for the first time, but they were like, they actually knew each other. And they were so passionate about this thing. It's a MFR. It's called MFR. MFR. Where would we look at MFR on? USD coin. Okay. And the best thing about MFR is it's on a base blockchain. MFR is on base blockchains. You see all these memes on Solana flying? Do you think Coinbase will not push MFR? Guys, you know, this is on a base blockchain. So potential listing on Coinbase, I think we might get a listing on Coinbase in the future because this coin is on base blockchain. Base is Coinbase's own blockchain. Okay, so this is the chart. Again, there's very little history to it, so I won't be able to chart like super accurately. But because I see MFR's chart on a different platform, little different. See right here. Okay, this is more likely the chart. So let's see what the market cap is for MFR. There are so many fake MFRs, you know, you need to make sure to put a $sign before MFR coin. This is the MFR coin. Market cap is $22 million. Okay. 22 million. It's a meme coin. And the whole community is on Farcaster. But this is the information that I got from the conference. Okay, let's chart this MFR. You know what MFR means, right? MFR. It's a short for something. Mother. Motherfucker. So how low can it go? I think, you know, you could see a consolidation for MFR. Again, it could consolidate like that for a little while before you get the next move up, okay? That's how I think it'll play out. But $22 million. Again, I cannot chart something that is you know, it doesn't have much history to it, but this looks good to me. This looks good. And as I said, by 2025, if you look at the bigger picture, let's see where the 618 is. Dude, the 618. Again, you cannot be too specific about the chart. As I said, that's crazy, man. You know, let's look at this way. Let's look at the 618 now. That's not bad. You know, $2. Yeah, possible. In meme coin world, anything can happen. And this is a new meme coin on Base. On Base blockchain. So never know, you know, just giving you the information, what I got. I haven't bought it yet. I have to open an account in crypto.com and then buy it. I'm going to buy it. I think I'm going to buy it. Yeah. But I like this coin just because of the community. Do some more research about MFR, man, and you will know. You will know what I'm talking about. Another thing about this crypto conference, I met the co-founder of Futureverse. His name is Aaron McDonald. Aaron McDonald, he's not a small potato, man. You know, I'll show you the interview, just a real quick clip. It's just a 2 minutes clip. But you see music studios, movie studios, in United States, like Disney, Warner Brothers, Fox, you know. So what these studios do, they produce movies, right? They make movies and they put it on. So his concept is like Futureverse is a studio which has several games which will be released, which will be built on the top of their blockchain called Root Network. ROOT, Root Network. Okay. And he's the CEO of Futureverse. They have several partners, big partnerships like Reebok. They have Ready Player One. Have you seen the movie Ready Player One? The author of Ready Player One was at the conference playing the characters from the game. That's crazy, man. So Warner Brothers involved. So obviously they have Hollywood connection. If you go on the site, on their website, Futureverse website, you'll see all the partnerships and everything. It's crazy, man. And the market cap is like $26 million right now. And the project is called Root Network, ROOT Network.
And I'm here today.
That's Aaron McDonald.
Hi, my name is Ray.
Okay, good to meet you, man.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Aaron McDonald.
Aaron, what do you do for a living?
I'm the CEO and co-founder of Futureverse.
Oh, what is Futureverse?
It's a media tech company that's working at the intersection of Web3, immersive content, gaming, and AI.
Oh, do you have a token out?
Yeah, we have actually only layer one, the Root Network.
Root Network. Okay, built on Root.
Yeah.
Wow. Tell me more about it, where people can find you.
So if you go to futureverse.com or therootnetwork.com, you'll be able to find out a lot more about us, what we're doing, who we're working with, the technology behind us.
Partnerships?
Huge partnerships, actually. Some of the biggest brands in the world. Probably our most popular topic of today has been the Readyverse, which is one of our immersive applications and launches, and that's built out of Readyverse Studios that we co-founded with the creator of Ready Player One.
Ready Player One.
Yeah.
Wow, that is awesome.
Yeah.
So you're connected. You're in partnership with Ready Player One.
Yeah, Ernie, actually, the author, was here yesterday doing a talk with me.
Oh,
And
wow.
he actually got to play his characters from the movie for the first time ever in his life. So
Really?
It's really special. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. Anything else you would like to talk about? Something exciting news that's coming up that's under the wraps?
Not too much alpha, but there's some pretty cool things happening in the partner ecosystem. We've got some big games coming to market in the next month or two for the first time playtests, and we've got some really interesting big communities to onboard into our ecosystem. So excited for that.
Any U.S. exchanges token will be listed on?
I don't comment too much on the listing process because actually we're not supposed to do that. But there's good conversations with all the major exchanges. Yeah.
Got it. Thanks, man. Appreciate it for your time.
Thank you.
So let's look at the website. It's called the Root Network. Let's look at Futureverse. Futureverse partnerships. Okay. Animoca brand, if you know what that is, they have several relationships with celebrities like Paris Hilton, Snoop Dogg, and everyone. Look at the articles, man. Look at the press releases. Partnership with Reebok Futureverse. Where's the Ready Player One that I saw? Ready Player One. Okay, Readyverse Studios here. See the Readyverse, Ready Player One movie. Remember this? The kid plays the game and goes into this. I think this was a Steven Spielberg movie, right? And another thing about the co-founder, her name is Sarah, and somehow she's in connection. I think she's, pitched a script to Steven Spielberg, and her name is Sarah. We'll talk more about it later, but I just don't want, I want you to go look on this site and do your own research about it. You can even look up Root Network, and you'll see the partnerships right here on Root Network. Look at that. Reebok, Ripple, Warner Music Group, Warner Brothers, Ready Player One. Dude, I just don't want to, make this video too long, but do your own research. I really like this. And I love the chart, the way it is. It's called the Root Network. As I said, this is a short, we don't have too much history for this chart. So it's very important that we hold this. If we go below this point, that it invalidates the arc, and we could be going like a nice flash crash, and that could be the bottom for Root Network, but it might consolidate before it starts to go back up. I am totally just looking at the fundamentals. I cannot chart this because it does not have much history to it, but I think Root Network it has the capacity and the connection and the fundamentals to back it up, it to go to billions of dollars in market cap. Because who is in the market? Tell me which game in the market is bringing Ready Player One, like a Hollywood movie on a video game, man. I think even Web 2 people will be interested in playing that game, because that is going to bring in a lot of people in. Imagine the gas fees on Root Network. Right now, this is like $26 million. And all these games, different projects. Again, Futureverse is a studio. They have different great games. They have partnerships with Polymos, partnership with Illuvium. So I think in the future, what it'll be with an AI, you can go from what, like, how movie studios do? They have, what do they call? Their own universe, like Spider-Man comes into, other places. In the future, we'll be able to go from one game to another game, or combine the games or something like that. Because what I watched in this conference was you can just type stuff and create things in the game. Like you want a waterfall, you can just type and the AI creates a waterfall. And you want, a fire somewhere, you can just type that and it creates whatever you want to create. Now you can create an environment in the game. And I think it's a very interesting project, like in the process, if you have, say, with AI integration, there are two games in the future, they make a partnership. So if they say, for example, Fortnite and some Call of Duty, they come together, and it's like a universe, right? Because you see Futureverse, just the name of it sounds to me that in the future, they will have a lot of partnerships. But if you just go on the site, you will see how many games are there on it. But just looking at the fundamentals, I really like the project, and I think it will do well. It can go down, yes. Things can go down when it's in a downward trend. Right now, it's in a downward trend, and until we get out of this trend line, it's difficult to say where we are going. See this? So this is a falling wedge. We have come down how much from the top? Come down 86%. I've seen cryptos go down 99%, 99.9%. So until we start getting a upwards trajectory, like going up and making higher highs, I cannot, say it can't go low. It can, as I said, we could see a bottom forming, but soon, I think. So this is the Root Network, another find from the conference. Let's turn the music on. I think the Mfercoin is on Ethereum network. No, it's on Base, bro. Well, it's on Base blockchain. Matthew, nice, good find. Yeah, thank you, brother. Druville, the remainder. H-Ray, can you check this meme coin? It is on a DEX screener. It's a different website. The ticker is named WMM. Weird medieval memes. Bro, WMM. Where you can't see the ticker symbol, man. Yeah, I can't find WMM. Nope. Oh, that's the one. Why is it not showing on the thing? $12 million market cap. Bro, where do I look at the chart? Weird medieval memes. Let's type the whole thing. Nah, man, I can't find it. Okay. So, Media Network. What I like about Media Network is the way it's forming. I like Media Network a lot. Could see the next level up whenever it starts to go up. You know, first stop will be like 50-60 bucks, okay, from Media Network. Really like the way the chart set up, man, you know. But again, everything will go down the drain if we lose this level. So bearish, bullish, both scenarios. We go down below this level, boy oh boy, another boring season will start for Media Network, and you know, it'll do this before it goes back up, okay? But I don't think that happens for media. Right now it's looking uber bullish to me. What happens is it's forming an arc. As soon as we get out of this consolidation, man, you know, we'll see a massive move up. A massive move up for Media Network. And again, you see how fast it'll go up. Okay. The first stop could be somewhere around 100 bucks. Okay. I mean, you would get a pullback here around 60, but it'll be a small pullback before it goes up. 100 bucks, I think, you know, is where Media Network's going. But I love the chart. Love the chart. It's very close to be done with the consolidation. Again, one more stop could be right here, where it would pump to, let's look at this, 618. So where it could waste time, it could waste some time. Here's between, I would say, 20 bucks to yeah, about 19 to $20. I would say 18.86. This is the level where I would think Media Network next pump will be. So that's a good size pump, man. In this depressed market, I would take that, a nice juicy 60-70% pump. Yeah, I would take that. And it might crash from there, come back down to the same level where we are right now. So it might take a little longer. You're looking at end of the year or first quarter. But a nice pump is coming. A 60-70% pump's coming from Media Network. Oh, website name is Dex Screener. Okay, let's look at Dex Screener. I never knew about that. Thanks for letting me know, brother. Who's new here? Anybody new? Anybody? Anybody? What the hell? So the chart will be on here. That's so weird. Why the chart's not on TradingView? WMM USDC. Let's look at this. They are using TradingView, bro. I don't know why. Well. What do you want me to chart here, brother? This is a 4-hourly. How can you... What do you want me to do? Tell me, bro. I don't want to be a dick, But, like, tell me what's there to chart here. What do you want me to do? It's just... October 24th. This just came out. How can I chart this? Draw a squiggly? You want me to do that? Yeah, just do a squiggly like that and a squiggly like that and just say, hey. And your money goes to zero. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom. Broke motherfucker in the house. Man, I don't know. I would stay away from it, man. Unless you have some inside information. Let me know. If you have some inside info, then I will get on it. Because this thing go to zero, bro. Shrey, others are fake. Just the first cherry. They're full of rug pulls. Yeah, man. No. Not me at this time, especially. Sorry, man. I don't want you to feel offended. But hey, you know what I mean? Man, time to have some water. Hold on. Let me grab some water. who else is with me enjoying your weekend with crypto? How do you feel emotionally, man? How do you feel emotionally? Tell me, we never talked about it. You know, like I get pissed off sometimes, like big time pissed off, like mad. Sometimes I scream. Like at least, you know, me and my buddy talk like every 2 days we talk, but there's no conversation. Majority is like crypto talks. But yeah, when it starts moving, it's just fun. You know, right now it's just boring sideways action. Imagine just going crazy, man, going crazy. But a move's coming, man. A move's coming. So what coins I mentioned here, let me make sure that we are doing all the coins that I mentioned here, and there's a purpose behind it. I'm not just, you know, doing coins just like that. But it's Swift, Media, Root, SLP, Smooth Love Potion, and Bitcoin Cash is left. So Smooth Love Potion, again, a move's coming for Smooth Love Potion, okay? A move's coming for SLP, Smooth Love Potion. Look at this depressed coin. Let's look at closely. What could happen before the move comes? You know, when will be a good time to get into this coin would be, you know, when it drops. I think it won't be able to go up successfully right now. See this right there? It's breaking the triangle. So if you want to try your luck and get lucky, it's possible it might come back down one more time to this level, and possibly, you know, go a little bit lower and scare you. You know, could create another low like that. It's possible, okay? But I think it'll come down to at least this level right here, okay? 2.002. So that is a drop off. Nice, you know, 20-25% drop is possible for Smooth Love Potion. I could be wrong, and this can just go to the moon. It's almost time. It's almost time. And where it is going, I'll tell you where it's going. Be an aggressive move up to this level.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know.
Right there. That's a 6 to 7x. 6 to 7x move is coming if you get in at this level where it's going to drop. If you get in there, that level, from that level, man, if it drops to 0.002 from that level, wow, it's a 8x pump. 8x pump, okay? So it's a move coming for this coin. The consolidation, just, you know, if you're able to handle a few more days of consolidation, then you will do good, my friend. Because what could happen, we could come back down like that and stay on this line right there for a few days, and then boom, starts to make a move. Boom, boom. It'll be aggressive, okay? But yeah, you might have to deal with this consolidation for a little bit longer, okay? But it'll be a good time. I think 0.002 would be a good number to get into Smooth Love Potion, okay? Smooth Love Potion. So that's, I have a 7 to 8x for you guys, okay? Where on the planet? Tell me where on the planet that kind of money we made. Again, if we go down and close a weekly candle below this level, that means, again, bad news. That means it's bad news. This thing goes like that, okay? And then starts to go back up. But I don't think that happens. I do not think that happens. I think a pullback to this level is possible, you know, to this level. But again, I think it's a buy. For me, it's a buy. Okay, I have some, but I've been studying this chart for so long, man, so long, and it's about to pay off. It's about to pay off. Okay.
Every time I need to go, every time I need to know, bitch, please call me now. I don't wanna win the war, win the war.
It's forming a perfect arc. For me, this is just perfect arc. We will look at this chart when the price is at 0.02, and I'll come back and say, I told you. I'll go crazy. I can't wait. I can't wait to tell you, you know, like, you're my friends, man. But like, you know, for new viewers, I was like, yeah, I told you. I told you so, right? These levels. These are the levels where I expect the next move to be 0.0190 to 0.02. It's a 7 to 8x move coming for Smooth Love Potion. It's not going to be smooth anymore. It's going to be aggressive AF. Coming back to Bitcoin Cash. My favorite blue chip, Bitcoin Cash. Again, my Bitcoin Cash friends must be really down. It was like, Shrey, what the hell just happened here? It's not moving. Stuck in this range. Bitcoin Cash has a tendency to move really aggressively. Whenever it moves aggressively. Anywhere you go, you look up Bitcoin Cash. See all our aggressive moves. Look at these moves. Aggressive. It doesn't go sideways, you know, like if it goes sideways for a long time, you know, next moves are aggressive. Look at this move, aggressive. But this is a very good sign, man. This is a very good sign. Where we are going next. Again, can we drop and do this? Yes. It can have one more drop to this level, okay? But that doesn't mean anything. My numbers for Bitcoin Cash are huge. Between, I would say, $4,000 to $8,000, $10,000 this run. Okay, for Bitcoin Cash. So what it does in the short time frame, it can drop to this level that I mentioned here. And we can't do anything about it, man. You just have to wait it out, you know. But bull runs around the corner. Not all coins gonna pump. This is a blue chip that I really like is Bitcoin Cash. I love it. But yeah, can this happen? Yes, it can. But we are closing on the time. If you look at the Bitcoin Cash chart against Bitcoin, the gap is closing. Where's the Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin? Come on, brother, from another mother. Let's change this. Again, we wasted too much time here, man. Next moves are going to be aggressive whenever that happens. But as I said before, can we come back down? Create another bottom like that? Double bottom? Yes, we could come back down to this level, have a flash crash, but that doesn't mean anything. coming back down to this level, having a drop. Again, it'll be a 20%, 25% drop. If that happens, again, that don't mean anything. You have to look at the bigger picture where Bitcoin Cash is going. Okay? And the move that is coming after that is going to be so massive. Everyone will be flabbergasted. Huge move coming for Bitcoin Cash. Next level is here, 0.02. That is a move off from here. If you don't drop, that's a 250 to 300% move coming for Bitcoin Cash. Okay, 250 to 300% move. Matthew, Bitcoin Cash looks to be in the wedge for a year like XRP. Yeah, man, when these things will break out, it's going to be massive. I had my eyes on helium since last cycle, but I have never pulled the trigger. Hope it does well for you, Matthew. Cheers, brother. Okay. Porcupine, Shrey, what are your thoughts on ICP? Okay, for people who requested initially, and I was looking at my coins. Let me look at their request. Disclosure Kids, are you still here, brother? Who else is here? You know, I'll look Gary for you if you are here. Did somebody else made a request? Matthew, Moonwell's chart is beautiful. You want me to look at it? Moonwell. Let's look at Moonwell. Is that the one? Moonwell Apollo? Yes, bro, I like it. I like it a lot. Is this the one? 0.01. Let's look at Moonwell. $219 million market cap, 0.07. Oh, this is not the one. Which one are you talking about? 0.07 is... What is that? What's the ticker symbol? Well, W-E-L-L. Let's look at that. Yeah, man, that looks good. Moonwell chart looks good. That's why I like coming live, man. You discover, you know, new things. 618. So next move is up here, man. 35 cents is the next move. What? It's a 340% move. I have to study this for a while. I can't just yeah, man, this looks like primed to pump. By December, we could be looking at these levels, man. You know, that's the next level. I would say, you know, 29 to 40 cents. Moonwell. Let's look at your thing. Is MFR on? MFR on base. See? Base scan. Base Explorer. See, MFR founder Satoshi launches Mfercoin on base chain. Guys who are watching and not subscribed, man, you would lose a lot of money. A lot of money, honey. Yeah, that looks good, man. You know, I'll have to deep dive into the chart and then finally look where the final numbers look like. Okay? What time is it right now? 10:54. Whoa. Wow. I think hour and a half, man. That's a long live stream. Guys, I might need a cold one now. Okay? You have a good weekend. You want me to start doing this every day? Like coming live more often? What's up? Tell me. But then, you know, sometimes it gets really boring, man. I just don't want to reiterate the same things again and again, you know. And I would rather spend that time researching stuff on it. But what do you suggest? You know, then I have to worry about my Patreons too, right? So, yeah, that's why I don't come very often. But the channel is growing at an exponential pace right now. It's really good. My last conference video had, you know, really good views. I found out today they are burning Shapeshift. Sanamos, yes please. XRP please. Sanamos, we have done XRP several times, brother. But was right. Panamos. XRP is such a drag, bro. Such a drag. Look at this, man. See, I showed you what's the coin I mentioned? Smooth Low Potion. You know, it's just like that. Look at this consolidation, bro. Look at this. Let's look at the weekly. Imagine that happens. It goes to freaking $6 straight. $6 straight. Everyone on the street will be like, what the fuck just happened? I just got out of XRP and what happened? Very close, brother. You know, I would say it's just a matter of time. How long it consolidates, no one can say. You know, it'll be like this on this, and one day it will just go up. It'll just keep on going up like that. Okay, very close, brother. This triangle is just done. You know, a few more days I think left on this before the next bump. Look at this huge consolidation, man. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah, very close, brother. Very, 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 very close. Look at this. This is just like Dogecoin, man. Like Dogecoin. You've seen Dogecoin, how it consolidated. Just like this. It consolidated like crazy. Before the pump. Last cycle here, Dogecoin. Look at that. No one can say how long, you know, when. Look at the weekly. Yeah, huge triangles being formed. You know, these crashes are possible, okay? With any coin, just to get you out of the thing, these crashes are important. They are healthy. But see that? What happened to Dogecoin? Look at that. Crazy. Whenever this triangle will break, it's gonna be crazy, bro. Look at that. You know, can we come down? Yes. You know, like just that coin. But we're coming very close for this being done. And it'll be explosive, bro. It'll be explosive. We appreciate you, Shrey. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna have a cold one. You have one too on my behalf. Guys, just let me know if you want me to come. Kem Cho Shrey bhai. Good meet. How are you, brother? My brother from another mother. Got the sign booked from a conference from the author. Look. The promise of Bitcoin. I want to go to Thailand for the DevCon, but the tickets are like super expensive, man. I need to find a sponsor. Somebody is able to sponsor me for these conferences. You know, there's so much information I can get. It's just crazy. But, you know, I'm willing to, you know, because I spend so much money on these conferences, man. You know, getting these hotels are like sometimes $200, $300 a night, and you have to stay 4 days. 5 days sometimes, and you know, the air tickets and everything. It's like, you know, I've been to 4 conferences already, and I'm already booked for next year. I've already booked the hotels and everything for the Vegas conference. Then I'm going to Hong Kong for the Consensus conference. Just the ticket to Hong Kong would, you know, it's like $1,600. It's crazy. But from there, I'm going to Bali for a little bit. So yeah, man, but everything adds up. So, you know, I'm trying to figure out a way if I can get sponsorship for these conferences. Like, I don't need money. You know, if somebody books my air ticket or, you know, travel expenses, that's it. You know, I can even manage my food by myself. But yeah, so I'll be talking to a few sponsors. Let's see if we can get that. And, you know, because I want to put my money in the market. And right now is the time, and I've been spending all this, you know, I spent probably, you know, $12,000 to $14,000 on these conferences, you know, just going to these conferences. But anyways, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, take care. Not tomorrow, I don't know when, but I'll see you. Okay, take care. Have a nice weekend.